Okay, so we decided to have a taco fiesta for Mother's Day. So we have a turkey salsa dip. All right, follow me, follow me, follow me. Then we have the Arnold Palmer, which is always requested. It's raspberry, by the way. And then we have rice and peas, taco shells, taco tortillas. This is turkey meat, turkey meat, shrimp, some grilled onions, some plant-based steak, cheese, cilantro, pico de gallo that I made. I'm proud of that. We got chips, lettuce, and that's the coleslaw for the shrimp tacos. And we got cilantro, sour cream, and we're missing the guacamole and limes. My sister got on her way with that. How did I do?